Hi everybody, it's Chris.
And Joan.
We're Chris and Joan's Travels. Okay, well, we're almost to the port.
It's cruise day.
It's cruise day. The driver, we got a bit picked up in Fort Lauderdale at the airport. We're taking the ride down here and we're almost to the port. We're going across the causeway now. And we'll be here in a few minutes. We'll get to see the ship. See if we can get a picture while we're doing this. Here we are, we made it. Got tickets over here. Okay, our man Cedric here picked up our bags.
Taking it to the cabin.
Taking it to the cabin. Thanks, Cedric.
Right, thank you.
You have a good day,
Nice
man.
to meet you. Nice.
Second set of doors.
Yes.
Thank you. Okay, so we made it. Here's the cruise terminal. And because we're the Haven, we go to the second set of doors, is what they told us. If I lost Joni. Of course I lost Joni. Where's Joni? No, I found her. Hey, this is yours. I'm done. I did my job. Okay, so before you go inside, you got to stop at the Haven booth and see David, and David's going to check us in. Hi, David.
How are you doing?
Good.
Glad to see you.
The Gillans?
Okay, what's your suite number, please?
15,814.
Okay, well, you're going to have a great time, I can tell already. 15,814. Bear with me here.
Yep.
That's okay.
Got it right here. Where y'all coming in from?
California.
Oh, nice. Nice, very nice. You take the red eye across? Or?
No, we've been here. We've been up in Fort Lauderdale for the weekend.
Oh, nice, very nice.
So we
Great.
just got a shuttle down here, and now we're checking in.
You having a great time? Here?
So far.
Oh, good. Very good. Well, welcome.
Okay.
Follow me, please.
Okay. And I.
So we checked in at the Haven thing at the front, and we got our own personal elevator. Haven? Yes.
Suite numbers.
15,814. All right, so we made it in. We checked in with the gentleman right at the front door. He brought us straight through to get our facial recognition. They took us straight up to security, and is the security for NCL. For Haven, excuse me, for Haven. That's all you got to go through. And then we checked in right there. And then you come up to the second floor, or the elevator, and they have snacks. And this is our ship. This is where we'll be for the next 4 or 5 days. So this is the Haven. So this is what you get when you book the Haven. You get this little section up here to sit and relax before boarding. Hello. And then this area is for everybody else. So when you come up, if you're not in the Haven, you got to come up the elevator, the escalator that way. Come, says check in. You got to go through this line here. Then you got to go through those security. And then that line over there is everyone waiting to check in to get their key cards, which we've already done. That took less than 2 minutes to do. So that was a very nice point of having the Haven. We didn't have to go through any of this. Walked straight up, took us straight through, got our key card. That line right there is just still for everyone waiting to get their key card. So they go through security, and then you have to get in another line for the key card. So but for the Haven, you don't have to. We chose the Haven this time, and it's looking good.
How are you?
Good.
You making a vlog?
Yeah. What's your name?
My name is Anton.
Ah, nice to meet you. A picture in the side of the ship. Got your key card handy? Kids are having fun.
Take this.
Ooh.
Hold it like this.
The leader.
There we go. Like this. There we go.
You're doing it wrong.
Great job. Good job. All
Hey, I gotta have my sign. Oh no, you gotta have it high, nice and high. You want to get ahead with them?
Sure. Thank you. I'm sorry. Thank you. There you go. That's a picture.
That's the picture. Hello. What are you doing?
Watch your step. First step on the step. Son, please don't take other videos. Thank you.
Eleanor.
Follow me now. Have an engage.
Eleanor, come back.
Welcome to new home. Thank you. Okay, because all of you stay in heaven, follow me. Yeah. Wait.
Pick up the rear and make sure she gets it.
Come in.
She's been
You want
lying.
to stay in suite and heaven?
No.
No, the other side.
Okay,
Yes.
thank you.
Welcome. Follow. Happy.
You gotta follow the leader.
The way you have ball, wait.
All right. Wow, big group, huh? Okay.
What did I say about that?
What is it, the 6th floor? We entered on the 6th deck. We're going to the Haven Private Escalator or elevator.
Okay, everybody.
Welcome aboard. Morning.
Okay, because all of you stay in heaven, you have to remember this heaven elevator. Access from your room, go to heaven lounge, heaven restaurant, go to somewhere you can use this elevator. Please make sure before you use this elevator, tap your room card here until green light. Okay? Understand? Okay.
Yes.
Welcome.
Thank you.
See you around. Happy.
Happy.
Everyone scoot back to a lot of fun.
We're all going in.
I'll fit through here, I think.
Do you guys have a YouTube channel or anything? Or,
Yeah.
oh, what's it called?
Chris and Joan's Travels.
Okay, I'll find it.
I'll give you a card if you want.
Oh, great. Oh, yeah. I figured there was something like that.
You are the
It's not big. It's not big.
But it's
but
growing. It's growing.
It's growing. They have 400
We enjoy it
followers.
just for ourselves, you know. We
that's
don't
fun.
get sponsored. We're not sponsored on it. We're just doing it for.
Doing it all for fun.
Jump.
When I get old and I want to remember what I did,
Yeah,
go
we
to
do
my
all of our
YouTube channel.
That's
YouTube
it.
for our.
There you go. Yeah, I do the same thing posting, you know, on Instagram and stuff. It's
Yeah,
like that's how
exactly.
you remember all the. Right, like the time you got lost on our cruise last year. You wandered around the island.
You got lost?
Yeah,
All
he
right.
wanted ice cream. So we promised he wanted away from my husband.
Which way are we going here? So we're on the 16th deck now. We're going to come see this young lady.
Sir, that's
I'm going to make her pick it up.
Yeah, I'm sorry, sir. Hello, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, a reservation for ma'am for your just in case you wanted to make a reservation in specialty
Okay.
restaurant.
Thank you.
Ma'am,
What are we supposed to be doing now?
I don't know.
That's the bar. This is the concierge.
I'll give him one of our cards. I guess that's it.
Okay.
Give him a card. Do we need to do concierge?
Well, shows.
Let's go get.
So go get in line if you want to make reservations for show or ask about the shows. But everything else is good, I think. So I guess the only question we have is about shows. Do they do reservations?
This one. We have a schedule show here, and you don't need to book any show.
Okay.
But let me give you this. All the show here in Aqua Theater,
Yep.
you don't have to book, and any show on board you don't have to book. It's whatever is listed here.
Okay.
But if the show in Aqua Theater, we do have reserved seating for our guests in the heaven.
Okay.
Just go to the 6 entrance on the left side.
Go to 6.
Yeah, the concierge and the butler will be there standby
Okay, go to
waiting for
6
you.
on the
At least you
concierge.
need to be there 45 minutes early.
Okay.
Yeah, except for this show for the Revolution, the entrance will be from deck 7.
Okay.
Yeah, 45 minutes early.
Okay.
All right.
So that's it then. So
That's the
we're
only question we have right now.
So now we're free to go. We're on
Yes,
the ship
and
now.
the restaurant is already open if you like to have your lunch, and the
Okay.
bar if you like to hang out. We have indoor bar and we have outdoor bar.
Okay.
If you like to hang out under the
And
sun,
rooms
it's
won't be
fine.
ready for a while,
They will
right?
let us know once the room's ready.
Yeah.
Now, is there any place to hide bags for a while, or?
Chicken, no, you can
No?
just
Okay.
leave it here. It can come back whenever you're ready.
We'll carry it around, I guess. Okay, do you want to eat? What do you want to do? What time is it?
If you wanna grab some drinks first.
Yeah, we're gonna go grab a drink first.
You are first.
You wanna do indoor or outdoor? Both. You have to.
Which way you going? Which way you blogging? What's your name?
Ahmad, sir.
Well, nice
to meet you.
I guess we're going to the outboard door bar. Oh, I can handle this. What are you doing? What do you think I want? Are you taking pictures? You want the camera?
Don't forget to like and subscribe this video. Comment below.
Okay, that was our Port of Miami embarkation video of what we did getting on the Aqua for the Haven. Hope you liked it.